In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share YouTube videos in Microsoft Teams. Sharing a YouTube video in Teams is actually very simple, but it helps to understand exactly where to go and what to do so that your teammates can easily watch what you send without any confusion. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in with the account you use for work or school. Once Teams is open, look at the left-hand side of the screen and find the chat option. This is where you can send direct messages to individuals or small groups. Click on chat to open your conversations. Next, choose who you want to share the YouTube video with. You can either click on an existing conversation or start a new one by selecting the option to begin a new chat and typing the name or email of the person or group you want to reach. Once the chat window is open, you'll see the box at the bottom where you normally type your messages. Now, switch over to YouTube in another tab or window and find the video you want to share. At the top of your browser, highlight the full web address of the video, then copy it. You can do this by right-clicking and choosing copy, or by using your keyboard shortcut. Go back to Microsoft Teams and click inside the message box in your chat. Paste the YouTube link directly into that box. After a moment, Teams will usually recognize that this is a YouTube link and may generate a small preview of the video, showing the title and thumbnail image. This makes it clear for everyone in the chat what you're sharing before they even click on it. If you'd like to give a bit more context, you can add a short message above or below the link, such as why you're sharing it or what part they should focus on. When you're ready, press enter or click the send icon to share the message.